Hi there, Nithun here. Hope you all are well and subscribe my channel. So most of the laptop users don't know how to find laptop battery information. They just know only laptop battery percentage. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily find laptop battery details without any software, just using a command line. This is really simple and easy way to know laptop battery details. So let's do this. So friends, for this process, first go to your Windows Start menu, search option and search Windows PowerShell. Here you can see I am using Windows 10 Pro. If you are using Windows 10, then search it here. If you are using Windows 8, then go to the search option and search Windows PowerShell. Here you can see Windows PowerShell. Friends, if you are using Windows 7, then go to the Start menu and search it here. Here you can see the Windows PowerShell. So after finding the Windows PowerShell, open it and type it POWERCFG space slash BATTERYREPORT and hit enter. Here you can see battery life report saved at the path c/user/nithun/battery report.html. That's mean the battery report saved in this path at HTML format. So now I am going to this path. Here you can see the battery report.html file. Guys, as it is HTML file, you need to open it at your laptop browser. So I'm going to open it at my Google Chrome browser. So guys, here you can see the battery report. In this battery report, you will find many information on battery, computer name, system product name, BIOS build, OS build, platform role, connectivity, standby, report time, and here you can see install batteries. If you have two batteries, then you will find two information on two batteries here. And at the below, here you can see recent uses. Here you can see recent uses report here with dates. And at the below, recent uses in graph, uses history, battery capacity history, battery life estimates. So here you can see so many information on batteries. So friends, in this way, without any software, you will find all information of your laptop battery. So I hope you enjoyed this video and also know how to find laptop battery information. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also share this video at your social media so that your friends and family member know how to find laptop battery report. If you have any question, please comment below. I will try my best to give you best solution. If you want to get more upcoming video of this channel like this, please click the subscribe button with the bell icon. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy. See you next video.